Hi, I'm Miss Ryan, and welcome to Module 1. I am so incredibly thrilled to have you here today. If you've ever felt a literal knot in your stomach when staring down a giant page of algebra, go ahead and take a deep breath. Today's lesson is all about shifting that feeling. We're diving into our introduction to DESMOS for the digital SAT. I want you to know right out of the gate, the math section is absolutely not your enemy. Actually, it's kind of like a puzzle we're going to learn how to solve together. And I promise you, we've got an amazing secret weapon to use. Okay, let's look at this first big idea. Math literally just got less intimidating. I know firsthand how test anxiety sneaks up on you, right? Especially when you feel like you have to perfectly calculate every single thing on scratch paper without making one little error. Well, scratch that, because that is the old way of thinking. My goal today is to reassure you that those tricky questions you might be totally dreading, they're actually about to feel highly visual, completely manageable, and honestly, just a lot less scary. So what exactly is this secret weapon? Well, DESMOS is a free online graphing calculator, but I actually prefer to think of it as an interactive math playground. Seriously, instead of just staring at rigid, confusing equations on a page, DESMOS lets you graph, explore, and experiment with them in real time. It totally shifts the paradigm from strict rules to visual exploration. You literally get to play with the numbers, test out functions, and see exactly how they behave. It's just a really friendly, welcoming space for your brain to process math. And here is the absolute best part of this whole setup. DESMOS is built directly into the digital SAT test screen. No joke. This isn't just some cool tool you use for your homework and then, have to leave at the door on test day. Nope. The digital SAT has seamlessly integrated the calculator right into the exam interface itself. That means you can graph, explore functions, and create tables directly on the exact same screen where you're taking your test. It's right there waiting to help you out. Let's see how this actually builds our strategy by comparing our options. The old way, that was all about spending precious time crunching numbers by hand, just crossing your fingers that you didn't drop a negative sign somewhere along the way. But the DESMOS way, that's all about visualizing problems instantly. When you can literally see the math right in front of you, you spend way less time doing mental gymnastics and way more time thinking strategically about what the question is actually asking. You become a problem solver, not just a human calculator. Of course, this leads us to the ultimate question on everyone's mind, right? How does this translate to higher scores? Because, it's great to have a fun math playground, but at the end of the day, you're taking the SAT to hit a specific goal. So why does getting super comfortable with this tool before the exam matter so much? How exactly does moving from number crunching to visual strategy actually move the needle on your final results? Well, here's the absolutely crucial point. Mastering DESMOS means you solve problems significantly faster. Because you're visualizing everything, it drastically reduces those totally annoying careless mistakes. No more losing points over a simple arithmetic error. And that naturally increases your overall accuracy. When you combined faster problem solving with fewer mistakes, well, that practice translates directly into higher SAT math scores. It's a straight line from getting comfortable with this visual tool to getting that big score boost you want. Okay, so you've got the strategy. You understand the massive advantage we have, and now, it's time to put it into action. Up next, we're going completely hands-on with the calculator. We're going to open up that interface, graph some real equations, and start experimenting in our new math playground. Are you ready to see just how easy finding the right answer can be? Awesome. I'll see you in the next module.